Hey guys, it's TianChad here. So today I'm going to do an honest review of using the 𝗦𝗛𝗔𝗥𝗕𝗘 backpack after more than 9 months. So this is an honest review and I just want to share with you what is inside my camera bag. So first thing first, there are two sizes for this bag, which I find it, why do I say it's a best camera bag? Is because it doesn't look like a camera bag only after you put in the camera insert, then only it looks like a camera bag. So first thing first, this is the 21 liter size so that I can fit in my 16-inch laptop. It's a waterproof material, so I'm not worried about weather. So when it's raining, you have a safety zip here. It's waterproof or water resistant that can protect your laptop. So the first thing that I'm going to take out is of course my HP laptop that I always use it for photo and video editing. So this is the laptop. You can see how thick it is and also heavy. And another thing inside will be this umbrella pen that I use as a prop and also pen as well. And maybe another pen. I want to show you another props that I have, which these are the mirror. I can show you the current gear that I'm recording. Where is it? Okay, recording using my S21 Ultra and also with the 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘 mic. So this is what I find it fun to record video with, and also mirror props. So another quick one because I have only a few minutes left. So after I take out everything, you can see that there are actually quite a lot of pockets here on top for you to put your pen or even your hard disk or even your handphone, and the other side will be for you to put the laptop sleeve. So you can see branding 𝗦𝗛𝗔𝗥𝗕𝗘 travel wear, simple and straightforward. Let me show. Okay, this part is already clear, so let me zip it back. And side pocket. At here you can put really large stuff. For me, I don't want to put my 1 liter tumbler. I put my 𝗟𝗑𝗞𝗘 Gorilla Pot. Very nice to use because I can just put it on a tree or any trunks or just anywhere with these flexible arms. And it's very good for your DSLR. So you can put water tumbler, I think up to 1 liter. It's very flexible here. So let's get to the front compartment. The front compartment will be this one. There's actually a lot of mini side pocket here, so I just take out. First thing would be my hard disk, portable hard disk, and some Nikon bracelet, and of course candies to keep me awake. Fisherman's Friend and also Vivienne Reviving DNA, the supplement that I'm having daily to keep me energetic and also handsome. Let's see what else is inside. Some more stuff, just a flash stand and 𝗦𝗛𝗔𝗥𝗕𝗘 CPL filter. This will be the 82mm. I use it to take photos of waterfall or even like just swimming pool. I need to remove the reflection. I'll need to use this filter. It has different lens size, so do check out 𝗦𝗛𝗔𝗥𝗕𝗘 website. And name card holder. There's also internal zip so that you can just keep all the small stuff inside here if you don't want it to move around. And okay, the side already done. Let's go to the main compartment. The main compartment is the thing that I place so many things inside that convert into a camera bag. So ta-da, this is how it looks like. You can open from the side, and I have my rainbow light props that I'm going to show you the photos in future. So do stay tuned and check out my Instagram and YouTube or Facebook. And let me just take out the, of course, laptop cable first. And I have 2 lenses inside here, 3 actually. This one is 24-70 Nikon f2.8. It's very suitable for people who want to have zoom range of different focal length. It's very suitable for wedding videographer. And another lens will be this 14-24 ultra wide lens for your mirrorless camera or even mirror to capture Milky Way and also scenery, and also it's very suitable for you to capture architecture shots. So these are the lenses that helps me make money and also capture the beauty of place like this. And this actually my second body, Nikon Z7. Tada! Can flip. And let's go to the main one. My main body is a Nikon Z7. paired with a 35mm f1.8. So you can see camera insert here, lens cloth, throw away. One more thing that's special for strangers is the Instax. I print out Instax for the beautiful strangers that I met and also photographed, so I can give them a gift after I took their photos. Phone is full soon. Okay, let's do it. Alright, let's continue. I've left 7 minutes. So, why do I say this Moment Travel Backpack is the best camera backpack that a photographer can have? That's because from the outside it doesn't look like a camera backpack, and also this camera insert here, you can actually remove it, and it's properly designed to match with your Moment Travel Backpack. So I just need to unlock this and I can take out the camera insert and I can just use it as a normal travel backpack. But as a cameraman like me, of course I would like to put it together with here. So you just need to slot in these two sides here attached to the backpack, and you eventually become a very nice camera backpack. And not to worry, this one is very sturdy to protect your camera here. So what other things that I want to talk about is okay, now it's all about the pro side of this Moment Travel Backpack. So what is the con side? The con side would be the price is a bit higher. If you ask me, for people who are staying in Malaysia, if that I want to get a nice camera bag, but it will cost me around, like, my budget is 500, but this is after usage and investment for more than 9 months. I really think that it's really useful and really good that outside it looks like a backpack, but inside it's a perfectly complete compartment that can protect your camera. You can put all this stuff all together in just one bag. And also, I forgot to talk about the shoulder pad. This shoulder pad, it helps you ease your burden at the back. The pad here it allows you to breathe, like you won't get too much sweaty at the back. And also these two soft shoulder pad, you just put it on and you don't feel like you are carrying like 10 kg over kind of gears. And if you feel like you want to ease your burden even more, there's actually one clip that can clip both sides of here. You just tie it and then together, it will ease your burden even more. So if you ask me, if this is a suitable backpack, I highly recommend it, but provided that you have the budget. So there's a good news where now I think Moment is running with a Happy Father's Day promotion. So there's a discount for this backpack together with the camera insert. So do check out the links below or links on somewhere here. I think links at the description below that you can just click in and see the latest promotion. Or you can always add it to your cart and subscribe to Short Moment newsletter so that you wait for the upcoming and new going promotion to save money. That's the tricks. Okay, so I hope you like this kind of video that I share the backpack, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook, or even check out my photo and Instagram tips on the photography tips on my Instagram. So yeah, that's it. Backpack here, done. So I'm ready to take some photos, and this is behind the scene. Let me take some photos of how it looks like here. So this is the setup that I'm recording using the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra together with the Joby mic. It's quite tricky to use the mic there, but let me figure out the easiest way to test it out. To activate the mic. There we go. Again, this video is recorded using the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra paired with a Joby mic. Check it out. And to prove that I've been using this bag for like really using it very rough, you can see the stain at the back here, the black color. And luckily it's this color, earth color, so I don't need to worry that it gets dirty on the earth. I can just put it anywhere like that. Alright guys, so that's all for my review of this best camera backpack for you guys. Is the Moment Travel Backpack. Remember, if you're a photographer, get the camera insert that's perfectly compatible with your Moment Travel Backpack. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, Instagram, or even Facebook page because I've been starting to share more photography tips, especially mobile photography using the S21 Ultra. And you can learn more photography tips from my Instagram and also YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe lah. Thanks for your support guys, and I shall see you next time. This is TianChad here, signing off. Bye bye.